Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're already a subscriber, be sure to have post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my new content. Anyway, enjoy the video. Hello, dear viewers, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. This is a very special episode because we're working on one of my best friend, Jake Sweeney's dream car, a 1966 Polara Wagon. It's a bit of an oddball, but so is he. After all, he is friends with me. So the first thing we're gonna do here is get the basic design down, which was unfortunately a little more difficult than I thought it would be, mainly because Jake didn't give me a whole lot of information on what he wanted done exactly. Every time I asked him, it seemed to be, I don't know. So a lot of this was done by, well, the fly, so hopefully he likes it. So what I decided to kind of go with was just a big green boat of a machine that's nice and clean. Oh my word, that was truly cringeworthy. I do apologize. Actually no I don't. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy the video as well as my peculiar introduction this time round. And if you do, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment what you think of the car below, as well as all the other self-promotion stuff, blah blah blah. Anyways, that's enough from me. I will see you at the end of the episode. Take care, viewer. So I think that's going to wrap up this episode for now. As you can see, we got a decent amount, well done. Not as much as I was hoping for, but generally that's how car builds work in reality as well as clay version apparently. Either way, I'm really happy with how the drawing turned out. I'm not a huge station wagon fan, but to be quite honest, I'm actually kind of digging this one. Good choice, Jake, good choice. So I'm really looking forward to making the 3D version. So next time we'll even out the uneven spots, drill out some wheel wells, and a few other things. Anyways, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy. Psst, hey, you made it this far. Did you smash my buttons yet? Come on, smash the buttons. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Blah, blah, blah.